Guys, definitely found a water source, but if any of you know anything about leptospirosis, then rats and other critters, when they wee in water like this, still water, it can give you a nasty shock and even be deadly. I'm going to give this a miss. It's not desperado time. I've got plenty of water on me, and there is it's sort of like a little stream about 400 or 500 metres just down the road there, so I'll give that a try. But this is a no-no. So we found our water source, fresh flowing stream that, so we should be okay for water there. Could do with some actually. Plenty of grub on the floor. All this stuff here. There you go. Tastes good. Right, I'll get on with this then, guys. So I'm holding on to this little bit of paracord that I've got. Give me a little finger there. I can swing on it, you see. It's not going to go anywhere. I've still got it. I'm holding it at the base there so I can get the flick. Like I say, it's absolutely pouring it down out there, so one has to try and do the best one can by getting as much dry stuff, even though it's a bit damp. This, the fire should get rid of that sort of like excess moisture and just ignite. As you can see, it's going for it now, so let's get cracking with it. I'm going to have to be careful as well not to try and not to smother it, so I'll keep some of this in reserve, but it's not doing too bad, is it? Say it's been out in the rain for a good couple of hours. It's a good idea to put some gloves on, I think. It's turned out nice, hasn't it? named that fungi. King Alfred, Grant Ball, always a good way of transferring spark. It's so quick that'll easily light a fire, no problem. So if you ever get any of this, grab it, stick it in your pouch, stick it in your burger and whatever. It's just a bit of a lifesaver. Black gold. Black gold in a sense. Black gold. It's a bit of fun.